Today, let's dive into the world of compact tablets with the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 50 Mini Pro NFE. This Android tablet stands out with its pocketable 8.4-inch display, robust G99 processor, and a 5000 mAh battery, all at a $179 price tag. Its dual SIM support adds to its versatility. To highlight, its Widevine L1 certification, ensuring high-quality streaming on platforms like Netflix. The package includes the tablet, an 18 charger, and a power cable. Design-wise, it's slim and sleek, resembling the iPad mini but at a fraction of the cost. It features a 5MP front camera, a 130MP rear camera, and dual 4G network support. The screen boasts a 227p FHD Plus resolution and a laminated display, perfect for reading and video streaming. Performance-wise, the Helio G99 chip ensures smooth multitasking and gaming. Running on Android 13, it offers a clean, user-friendly experience. The battery life is impressive, lasting 1 to 2 days with an 18 fast charger. Additionally, it supports a keyboard case for light work tasks. Overall, the iPlay 50 Mini Pro NFE is a budget-friendly, feature-packed tablet ideal for entertainment and light work.